Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, well, let's take a look at the collapse in the market. This is a pre-market video. So as I am always like preparing my day trading, and I thought today it's important that I do this video during the pre-market because as we see in the market today, all the stocks, and specifically I want to focus on definitely the list because Nvidia is the one that I want to talk about because Nvidia has at this point, and it's just even hard to find where the price action is, right? Like I was looking up here. I'm like, where's the price action? Price action is pretty much broken. So in this video, well, because it's just not broken as in like broken for a day, it's like right now excuse me, it's broken for the week, right? Not just week, sorry. It's broken in the longer term sentiment and direction for the weekly. So we'll take a look at Nvidia that definitely and how that affects like this collapse that we are seeing in Nvidia. Like, is AMD safe? Is SMCI safe? ARM, Broadcom, Micron, Intel, and definitely Tesla. So, but anyways, let's start off with Nvidia. But before that, I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. And then other video if I'll do later today, which I'll be doing, but in the morning that I usually do, I'll see because I'm already doing this video and so if I'm done my day trading and position adjustments soon enough today, because today I'll be adjusting a lot of my positions, then I will do a video in the morning today. Otherwise, no, this will be the morning video, and then I'll see if time allows and how the market is doing. So, okay. So, and in afternoon, regular videos will be coming out. Anyway, so let's jump into this pre-market debacle that we are seeing here. So, okay, Nvidia, the way it is, and that's where I want to start off with. Not sure if I told you, but none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. Okay, so daily interval, Nvidia is at 127. Now, I have been saying anytime if we lose $132, it's over. It's a sentiment shift. It's a break of a direction completely. Let's get to the weekly interval. And this is where we are, $127. If any rebound happens today, if Nvidia can still close above 131 and 132, Nvidia can be considered fine. And that's what I'm watching today, most importantly. Because if Nvidia rebounds but rejects at 132, and that's the level you are watching for a potential either rejection or a recapture of this level area back again to the upside. But if you see the price action reject here, yeah, would be potentially some opportunity if you have a position in this to size out more, get out. Well, I mean, do whatever you want to do. But what I'm saying is that this, if you're not regaining 132, that's a sentiment break on Nvidia. I definitely want to see how the day closes today on Nvidia, and we'll see if we get back above it, close above it today, we should be fine. But now, if we stay 132 below, it's a big problem. And though it's just not Nvidia that's falling, but the way Nvidia has fallen is definitely a unique one because it has lost that direction, the overall the uptrend direction, not just on the daily, not just on for a day or 2 or 3 days or 4 days. It's like it has broken its full on structure and direction. So at this point, if we close today below 127, and that will be a start of, in my opinion, it's not that the downtrend will just start now and will collapse. No, it will still try to rebound and all of that good stuff. But if rebound continues to reject at the levels above, which is 132 is a significant important area to watch for that from the weekly interval, well, then in coming days and weeks, it's going to pick its direction to the downside. So it's very important to watch the price action, but that's what I want to focus on, especially for Nvidia, because Nvidia is the only, at least for the list that I'm seeing, Nvidia has really broken the leg today of its, and let's see, 132 is the level to watch. If we recapture it, we are great. Otherwise, that just remains a level of a rebound and a sell-off area, actually. So because technically we are below that, and that's a resistance now, a rejection zone. So let's see, watch the price action if we even get to 132. Anyways, Tesla, I'll get to it at the very end of this video. So I want to next go to AMD. So AMD, all right, this, I mean, everything is collapsing, right? But the thing is that with AMD now, let's go to the weekly interval. So AMD is, I would say, is okay. It's not that bad. If it would have lost 200 weeks moving average, then yeah, it was very bad. But AMD is right over here. So it's still fine. I still want to see it close above today though, 200 weeks moving average, okay? Anything can happen today in the market, so be very careful. And AMD is doing a good rebound so far. But it's again today, let's see how the rebound does. But overall, what I want to focus on in this video is still technically fine. You can see it has been able to hold that very same area of 200 weeks moving average area, all right, with the significant level for sure, right? So AMD is, I would say it's okay, but I still want to see how the day would close. It's not that as bad as Nvidia, how it has lost Nvidia right now, full on the direction right now. SMCI. So SMCI is also not looking good right now. If it, well, it's okay, well, so it has regained actually this zone again, the demand zone. So it is fine, but I want to see how the day closes. So let's go to the hourly interval. Nvidia is the really taking the beating. So SMCI is, as long as it can close above this blue box area today, we are fine. ARM is 149 down here. Yeah, well, it's not a broken chart, the 149. Definitely it has lost the blue box. Let's see if the rebound comes and comes back to the blue box. That's the thing to watch. This is where the price action is in the pre-market at 149 area, right? And this thing, yeah, well, technically take it as a rebound right now. It's not going to make it in an uptrend though. It's not as broken as Nvidia. It hasn't lost its overall direction though, but let's see what the rebound does today. But yeah, it's lost that momentum though that it was in. It has lost the blue box in the near term. So it's just the downtrend, at least the pull. Yeah, it's because it's extended, we can give it still a pullback. It's though not a broken structure. We are still above a lot of areas of the pivots, previous pivots as well. Nvidia, I'm telling you, Nvidia is the one that is in trouble. Broadcom 219. Broadcom is right around over here. So yeah, Broadcom, consider it done as well pretty much. Yeah, any rebound will be just a rebound today, nothing more than that, if that continues, and which is possible after such a fall. You can see today in the market that some rebound may happen, and 229 though still remains a rejection level on this up there. Micron. So Micron is also pretty much done. Well, it's done in a way. If it can recapture 95 and above and close above it, it should be fine. But if we stay below 95, it's a continuation of the problem then. So that's something to watch on Micron. Intel, well, Intel is the one that's positive in the pre-market today. It's doing the other way around. And guys, okay, here's the thing. It came back up above the blue box. All right. So if we close above it today, it's fine. All right. It's fine. Yeah, Intel is fine, not others, right? Let's take a look at Nvidia. Yeah, no, it's still very weak. It's just not rebounding even strong enough. Like AMD, we just saw is rebounding good. SMCI is rebounding good. Nvidia is not. And 132 is the level to watch. Tesla. Okay, Tesla also, on the other hand, has, let's get to the daily interval first. And Tesla here is at what, 393. Well, it's not bad actually. Tesla is not that bad, but we need to, if we can recapture today $400, that's great. 393, or we stay above 50 days moving average, we are fine. Well, overall in the direction wise, bulls still have a chance. Like on Nvidia, I don't think bulls have a chance, but again, we'll see. But yeah, if Tesla also can close above today $400, it should be just fine. So yes, it's a very bad major sell-off, and especially Nvidia is the one taking the hit. And sure, there are news out there that, oh, because China is making advances in AI, and there's just a plethora of news they're just trying to put together. Anyways, it doesn't matter to me. It's all about price action, because it's not just Nvidia falling, it's the whole market falling, right? Anyways, other stocks I'll talk about later as well with the members and other stuff, but that's all I have for you guys in this video. All right, guys, good luck with the trading today, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.